Alright, welcome to my channel, Gateron Oil King. Gateron is offering $0.65 a switch, and today we are going to find out if the switch really worth the price and the hype. Switches came in with really nice box, so if you don't have the lube station, you can use the package as a lube station. It is a 5-pin linear switch with 80-gram bottom out and 55-gram actuation force with 4mm key trouble, and it comes with factory lube. But I still hear a little bit of scratchy sound and a little bit of wobble, so we are going to loop the switch to be more smoother and get rid of the scratchiness. You can skip the lube process part. Alright, my thoughts on the switches. If you're a linear gang and you don't want to loop the switch, the factory lube does a really good job and you should go for the switch. But I do recommend you to loop the switch to remove a little bit of scratchy sound and to get smoother experience. Comparing with Gateron Mickey Yellow, Oil King is a bit heavy switch, so if you want a lighter switch, go for the Mickey Yellow. But Oil King switches feels more solid and cohesive than Milky Yellow. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.